Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, May 29th. We made it to the end of another week together. We only have a couple left, and I can't believe how fast this time is flying by. Today is a strange holiday. It is National Put Your Pillow in the Freezer Day. I don't really recommend doing that because it probably would not fit. But another fun holiday we have today is National Flamingo Day. So I have put a link to a draw along for you to do to celebrate, and I would love to see pictures of your work. As the end of year is coming up, we have a couple activities to plan for. We have our fifth grade picnic, which is June 15th at 10 o'clock. And that is going to be in my Google Classroom, but all of your teachers are going to be there. We're going to be doing some fun activities. We're going to think back on fifth grade, and we're going to maybe look at some pictures of our time together. Our end of year Nate Perry Assembly is at 9 o'clock on June 16th, and Mrs. Ziegler will be live streaming that on Facebook. And there are lots of fun activities planned for that. So we definitely hope that you can watch live on Facebook. But if not, we will post a recording on our Google Classroom later that day. Do you want to be a part of the final Nate Perry Assembly? Mrs. Ziegler and us, we need your help a little bit. So we will be celebrating some of those teachers and teaching assistants who will be retiring and those who will be leaving Nate Perry for another building. So what we want to do is we're going to send them off just like we normally do when we're all together in person, but this year we're going to do it virtually. So what we need from you, we need you and any of your other siblings that also go to Nate Perry or used to go to Nate Perry to make a sign that says, "We will miss you, come back and visit," or "Thank you," or anything you think that would bring a smile to their faces. And then we want you to hold it up and to take a picture of yourself so that we can add that to the video and you can be a part of our final Nate Perry Assembly. What you can do is you can have your parents send them to me on Remind, or you can email them to me from your school email address. On my Google Classroom, there is also an end-of-year memory book that you can work on. So this is a fun optional way for you to reflect back on your year in fifth grade. Yesterday was very fun with our girls' lunch bunch, and today we have our fifth grade boys' lunch bunch at 12 o'clock. So if you want to come join, hang out with your friends, play some games, I would love to see you there. And since today is Friday, Mrs. Kyers has her read aloud at 10 a.m., the series of unfortunate events. At 12 o'clock, I have my boys' lunch bunch. At 12:30, my Harry Potter read aloud. And at 1 o'clock, Mrs. Cutlip has her draw along in the special area classroom. This was the assignment for Mrs. Kyers yesterday. It was a wiser activity on the root word mem. If you did not get that done yesterday, make sure that you work on it today and get that finished up for her. Since it is Friday, we are wrapping up the week. For math, all you have to do today is make sure that you've gotten to 45 minutes on iReady. If you have not done that yet, make sure you do. If you're really far over that, make sure that you stop. For ELA, it's your choice day. You can do Read Theory, Into the Brain, Into the Books, Fun Brain, Storyline Online, Read to Self. You can also do iReady ELA. Some of those optional activities are the Wild Robot, Achieve, your Living Through History journal, your Comparing Memorial Day ceremonies, and then any other assignments posted on Google Classroom. When you are done watching this video, I want you to make sure that you go right to my Google Classroom as well as Mrs. Kyers' Google Classroom and make sure that you have everything turned in for the week so that we don't have to chase you down. Hope you have an awesome Friday and enjoy the weekend, and I look forward to seeing some of the boys at the lunch bunch and seeing the rest of you on Monday. Have a great Friday.